So one thing that's definitely lacking on this side of the kitchen is storage for my pots and pans. So so what I'm going to do to create a space for my pots and pans is I'm going to add this steel rod and use the shelf brackets to put this metal rod. Woo, and create a space to hang my pots and pans on using these S-hooks. So I'll put the S-hooks on here as well. And that'll give me a place to put my pots and pans so that when I'm cooking, I don't have to go to another place in the kitchen, and they can be up off of surfaces like the top. I won't have to put them on the top of the refrigerator, and I can keep these drawers for something else.